Hello, I'm Jyoti Sharma and you're watching Agri Business News. Let's start with the latest updates. Dhanuka Agritech Limited organized grape retailers meet at Sangli district in Maharashtra. The meeting hosted by Mr. Nitin Gadekar, Senior Business Manager Sangli, Mr. Avinash Patil and Subodh Kumar Gupta gave the overview and journey about Dhanuka Agritech Limited. Dhanuka is aiming in transforming India through agriculture through such connects and meeting across India. Bharat Krushi Seva is agriculture-related mobile application with an intention to help Indian farmers with all required information related to agriculture. The application includes all the details from showing a crop to selling it in the market. It includes updated market rates for all the crops. On this note, founder and CEO of Bharat Krushi Seva, Sharayu L shared her vision with Krishi Jagran and said,
Bharat Krushi Seva, we are on a mission to digitize the agriculture industry of India. I belong to a farming background and I have also seen what all challenges the farmers are facing since childhood. So I thought why not I can utilize my technical exposure here to give a helping hands to farmers and bring them up with the technology here. Now when we started this in early 2019. We were trying to prove our proof of concepts based upon data analytics, and from there we started our journey with Bharat Krushi Seva. In early 2021, we were ready with the set of services that we were going to offer farmers, and in later June 2021, we were live on Play Store. So till now, we are a family of 15,000 plus farmers where they are utilizing our cumulative set of services. We are offering them various services under one umbrella. And we have also witnessed this, that when a right amount of exposure is given to a farmer and when an access to the technology is given to them, definitely there is a 20 to 30% rise in the total income, and there is a 30 to 40% reduction in the total expenditure cost. So definitely this sort of services is somewhere a sort of hypothesis here in India, but we are trying to prove it, and this has already been proven under Bharat Krushi Seva.
Monsieur Gasparo inaugurates its new French branch in Beauvais, a strategic agriculture center in the north of Paris. Micro Monsieur, president of Monsieur Gasparo, said, moving the office here in Beauvais will give us the opportunity to study new trends, new opportunities in a market where technologies, connectivity, innovation and environmental sustainability are more important than ever in our daily work. BASF is reaffirming its commitment to growers and retailers through the realignment of its field team from innovation specialists of agronomic solution advisors who can help make recommendations from the seed selection and seed treatment to crop protection and beyond. Vice President, US Crop of BASF Scott Case said, as BASF has transformed from a crop protection company into a provider of agricultural solution, we wanted to make sure we reflected that in our day-to-day interaction with growers and retailers. Greenlight Biosciences, a biotechnology company focused on RNA research, design and manufacturing for human, animal and plant health, announced the opening of its manufacturing plant in Rochester, New York. Chief Operating Officer Carol Cobb says Greenlight has developed a new way to produce commercial quantities of RNA at low cost for multiple applications. The Directorate of Cashew Research, DCR at Puttur in Dakshina Kannada district has released a new jumbo nut hybrid cashew, Nitara Jumbo 1. Jay Dinkara, a DIGA principal scientist at DCR, said that Nitara Jumbo 1 can save about 16,000 a ton on labor cost and fetch a premium of 10,000 for bigger size per ton of nut yield. The 29th annual general meeting of the Tea Trade Association of Cochin has elected Thomas Jacob of Probabs Enterprises as the new chairman. Dharmesh R. Nagada is the new vice chairman of the association. FICCI and Department of Chemicals and Petrochemicals are going to organize 10th Agrochemical Conference 2021 on 23rd September at Hotel Meridian, New Delhi, physically and digitally. The theme will be India at the rate 75, expediting the sustainable growth of agrochemicals industry for self-reliant India. For more agri updates, keep watching Krishi Jagran. Thank you.